A software evaluation may be a long process, considering your team might be busy with daily tasks. At ZAP, we are helping you to expedite this. The ZAPTEST Enterprise Solution Evaluation is based on two main phases: product demo and live POC. A product demo is an online session and takes approximately 60 minutes. During this session, the ZAPTEST team will discuss your test automation objectives and will demonstrate ZAPTEST functionalities. After the demo, you may schedule the live POC session. A live POC is an online session and takes approximately 120 minutes. During the POC, a ZAP expert will be performing test automation of your suggested test case over remote control using ZAPTEST Free Edition installed on your workstation. Alternatively, you can share pre-recorded ZAPTEST video scenarios of your test case. A ZAP expert will prepare POC scripts in advance and will execute them using your environment during the online meeting. Every demo and POC session will be recorded and offered to you afterward for sharing within your organization. For more information, please visit us on zaptest.com.